Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, if you've watched this video in the past, the levels that I've talked about still 100% pertain, especially in regards to the level of support, which I've talked about right there, the green line there representing 24 cents. And I say, still do pertain because you look at after today's price movement, and I mean, literally the price essentially all day long just hovered right up above that level and just kept bumping its head right there at the 24 cent mark. So from that angle of things, good news. The level of support that you would want to see act as support is indeed acting as support. The bad news is the price is very, very close to potentially breaking to the downside. Now, that's not a guarantee of anything, but my point here is that, given how close it is, it's a more than plausible, it's a more than rational thought to have that, maybe just maybe some sort of break of this 24 cent mark is getting ready to play out here. So that's going to be a level that a lot of people are going to be watching. And when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. When certain things happen, that can produce some very dynamic movement. So while nothing is guaranteed, my point here is that it's more than valid, it's more than rational to think that a break to the downside of 24 cents very well could create quite a bit of, downside selling pressure. So you're going to want to watch that very closely. And if 24 cents cannot quite hold up, then the next level of support after that would then be down there around the 20 cent mark. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. The level that I put into play, in past videos, that red line right there, resistance trend line, is still, fully in effect. In fact, right now, price isn't really anywhere close to potentially breaking it. But nonetheless, I'll, quickly just, mention that there, that yes, from the resistance side of things, overall level is up there at the red line there. But like I said, the pressing dynamic moving forward and the big question mark is, can the price stay up above 24 cents? So let's see what happens with this one moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.